Welcome everyone. Today we are exploring two foundational frameworks in IT service management industry, that is ISO 20000 and the other is ITIL. These frameworks offer organizations with structured approaches to efficient, scalable and high quality IT services. Now many businesses struggle with service inconsistencies, lack of operational clarity and inefficient IT processes. By integrating ISO 20000 and ITIL, organizations can enhance service reliability, reduce downtime, and optimize IT service delivery. So let's dive into how these frameworks complement each other in IT service management. First, let's clarify the difference between ISO 20000 and ITIL. ISO 20000 is internationally recognized certifiable framework that offers structured service management principles and defines key processes that organizations must adhere for service provision and excellence. ITIL, on the other hand, is a set of best practices focused on operational execution, guiding organizations on how to manage IT services effectively but without mandatory certification requirements. This means that ISO 20000 help businesses standardize their processes while ITIL provides flexibility in how IT services are optimized and improved. ISO 20000 gives organization a clear certifiable structure to ensure their IT services are well defined, efficient and compliant with industry standards. Meanwhile, ITIL serves as a guideline for operational excellence, helping IT teams implement improvements without rigid certification requirements. Organizations seeking formal recognition of their IT service management processes choose ISO 20000 because it provides a certifiable benchmark of excellence. On the other hand, ITIL certification focuses on best practices, helping IT professionals build skills and enhance service operations without requiring formal audits for compliance. They do have certifications for the IT personnels for various roles. But for the company, there is no mandatory certification process. ISO 20000 prioritizes structured service delivery, ensuring IT teams adhere to predefined standards and process frameworks. ITIL, however, focuses on improvement and operational execution, guiding IT professionals to apply best practices dynamically. So one important question here you can ask: should ISO 20000 and ITIL be implemented together? So the answer is ISO 20000 can be implemented as a stand-alone framework, ensuring compliance and a structured IT service management. However, organizations seeking more flexibility can integrate ITIL alongside ISO 20000 to ensure adaptability and service improvements within the structured framework. By combining or integrating ISO 20000 and ITIL for operational flexibility, businesses can achieve greater efficiency, reduce risk, and optimize IT performance. So, for the conclusion part, on to summarize all this information that we discussed, number one, ISO 20000 provides certifiable framework that ensures structured IT service delivery. ITIL offer best practices guidelines, the how part, that enhances flexibility and adaptability. So ISO 20000 gives you the what part, and ITIL shows you the how part. Then organizations can implement ISO 20000 independently or integrate ITIL best practices for enhanced service execution. So by understanding the complementary roles of ISO 20000 and ITIL, businesses can streamline their IT services, improve quality, and ensure sustainable success in IT service management. So this was all about this lecture, and in the next lecture we are going to discuss more about the ISO 20000 important parts and main requirements that are expressed in the ISO 20000-1 standard. So thanks for watching.